Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to get credit balance on Temu. First, open the Temu app on your mobile device. Now, go to your profile. Here, tap on Credit Balance. As you can see, I don't have any credit balance. Now, your credit balance is going to increase based on your activities on the Shin app. The more products you get, the more credit balance you will receive. Which means the more loyal you are to the app, the more purchases you'll make. That's how you earn. There is no shortcut. Now, if you tap on the I button from your top right, it is also going to tell you the same. Here, you'll find all the details related to the credit balance. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.